Geobyte.
My dear children, welcome to the GeoByte. Our next topic LCM and HCF. From this topic also we have one question in our examination. LCM. What is the meaning of LCM? Least common multiple. Least common multiple. HCF. Highest common factor. Greatest or greatest common divisor. Okay, remember as GCD. Greatest common divisor or highest common factor. Observe first of all what is LCM. A small example, find LCM of 4 and 6. LCM means L least, C common, M multiples. So first of all we have to calculate multiples of the 4 and 6. Look at children, multiples of 4. Multiples 4 ones 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes 12, 16, 20, 24, like etc. etc. Multiples of the 6, 6, 12, 18, 24. So M completed. Okay, na? M completed. Next, what is the letter C? Common multiple. Common multiple of the 4 is 6. Look at. So in the first and second, what is the common multiples from these two? Observe the point. 12, 12, 24, 24. Common multiples. Okay, out of these, what is the least common multiple? L. What is the least now? Least common multiple is 12. So LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. That is the answer. Basic methodology. Got it, children? Next. Another method, L-shaped method. L-shaped method. This L-shaped method, what is the LCM? How to calculate LCM? LCM of 12, 24, 48. In L-shaped method, observe, in L-shaped method, logic, here suppose X, Y, Z, okay, W, 4 letters given. Anything, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, anything also. Out of them, minimum 2 numbers, listen, minimum 2 numbers are divisible by any single number. Minimum 2 numbers are divisible by any single number, then continue the L-shaped method. Otherwise, stop the process. Finally, you have to take product of L-shaped number. This is LCM method. Now observe 12, 24, 48. Here all numbers also divisible by the one number. It is divisible by 12, okay, but from the starting, from the basic. So 2. Look at. Divided by 2. 2 6 are 2 12s, 2 24s. 2 6, 2 12s, 2 24 cancel. Again 6, 12, 24. These three numbers divisible by the any single? Yes. Again 2. 2 3s. 2 6 are 2 12s. Next 3. 1, 2, 4. 3 1s, 3 2s, 3 4s. Again 1, 2, 4 is divisible by any number. Minimum 2 numbers. So 2 and 4 is divisible by the sum number. So continue. 1 directly replace. 2 ones cancel, 2 twos. Here 1, 1, 2. So 3 numbers. Out of these 3 number, any 2 number, I mean minimum 2 number does not divisible by the any single number. So stop the process. Finally, you have to take product of L-shaped number, which is called LCM. Product of L-shaped number. So which is LCM. What is the LCM? 2 into 2 into 3 into 2, 1 into 1 into 2. So multiply 48 is the answer. Okay, children. Next. HCF. Highest common factor or greatest common divisor. Highest common factor or greatest common divisor. What is the starting letter F? So factors, common factors, highest. Suppose if you take a 6 factors or 6 divisors. Here 6 divisible by what are the numbers? 6 divided by the 1, 6 divided by the 2, 6 divided by 3, 6 divided by the 6. Okay, these are called factors. Suppose you take a 4, 4 divided by 1, 4 divided by 2, 4 divided by the 3. 1 is always for divisor for any number, 1 and itself. Simply 1 and itself common factors of the any number. Now how to calculate? Basic method. Highest common factor. Find HCF of the 6 and 9. First of all, F. In the F, factors of 6, factors of 9. Factors of 6, just now we discussed. 1, 2, 3, 6. Factors of 9, 1, 3, 9. F completed. Next, common factor. Common factors of 6 and 9, 1, 3, 3. So 1 and 3. Out of these 1 and 3, what is the highest? 3. So highest common factor is 3. This is the answer. Basic method. Next, L-shape method. This shape. Okay now. HCF of section 9 is 3. Look at common factor. So common factor. That's, remember, common factor. That's why in a given question, all numbers, every number, okay, all numbers divisible by any single number. All numbers divisible by any single number, then continue the process, L-shape process. Otherwise, stop the process. Finally, you have to take product of H-shape numbers, HCF, H-shape. So this is H-shape. Okay, these numbers product. Look at 12, 24, 48. These three numbers also divided by 2. 2 6 are 2 12s, 2 24s. 6 to 12, 24 also divided, divisible. 3, 6 to 12. 3, 6, 12 also divisible. 3 1s, 3 2s, 3 4s. 1 to 4, we have 3 numbers. These 3 numbers does not divisible by the any single number. So stop the process. Finally product of H-shape number, H-shape. Look at this shape number product. Then HCF of 12, 24, 48 is 2 into 2 into 3. So 12. This is the answer. Now coming to the example. Find HCF of 18, 24, 60. Just now we got the answer point. 18, 24, 60. These three numbers also divisible by the 6. 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 6 10s. 3 4 10. These three numbers divisible by any single? No. So answer is only 6. Directly got the answer. If you want to elaborate, completed answer. If you want to elaborate, 18, 24, 60. From the basic to 9s to 12s to 30s. Next, 3 3s, 3 4s, 3 10s. So 3 4 10 does not divisible by any single number. So product of these two. 2 into 3. Answer 6. In case you know the direct number, then multiply. Simplify. Otherwise, by 2, 3, 2, 3. See basic numbers, easy numbers. Okay, children. Next. Find LCM of 5, 10, 15. L-shape method. So 5, 10, 15. All numbers are also divisible by the 5. So I take a 5. 5 ones, 5 twos, 5 threes. 5 threes. Minimum 2 number divisible by any single number, then continue. Otherwise, stop the process. Finally, L shape. Here minimum 2 number 1, 2, 3. 2 numbers not existing. Minimum. Minimum means 2 or more than 2. Okay. So here minimum 2 not existing. So finally you have to take product of L shape number. So 5 into 1 into 2 into 3. So answer 30 is the LCM. Okay, children. Here I will give a small shortcut. Observe. Find LCM of the 5, 10, 15. 5, 10, 15. Here what is the highest number, biggest number? 15. 15 is divisible by the remaining number. Check it. 15 divisible by 5. Okay. But does not divisible by 10. So next. 5, 10, 15. Okay. Na? In a given question, biggest number is exactly divisible by remaining number. Then biggest number is called LCM of the given. In case biggest number does not divisible, in case biggest number does not divisible by remaining number, then we have to take biggest numbers multiple. Again check condition every time where the number is divided by the remaining numbers, that is the LCM. So 15 next multiple is 30. This 30 divided by the 5 divided by the 10 divided by the 15. So LCM is 30. Direct answer. One more example, 20, 30, 40. What is the LCM? Highest number 40 divisible by 20. Okay. Highest number 40 does not divisible by 30. So 40 next multiple you take 80. 80 divided by 20 but does not divisible by 30. Again 40 next multiple is 120. 41, so 42, so 43, like this. This 120 divisible by 20, divisible by 30, divisible by 40 also. So LCM is 120. This is the method. Got it? Okay, now children, next. Find LCM of 12, 15, 18. Okay, so 12, 15, 18. 3 numbers divided by the 3 easily. 3 fourths, 3 fives, 3 sixes. Next 2. 2 twos, 5 not divisible, so directly replace. 2 threes. Okay, now 2, 5, 3. 3 numbers, minimum 2 number not divisible. That's a product of L-shaped number. So 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. So 5 3 is 15, 15 2 is 30, 60, 180. So LCM 180. Product all the values. 3 2s are 6, 5 2 is 10, 30. 30 into 6, 180. Your wish, multiplication.
Geobyte.